A leading manufacturer of data storage products, Western Digital aims to be the world's leading data infrastructure company. As winner of the TIBCO Legend Lighthouse Award, Ahmer Srivastava, Director of Memory Product Solutions for Analytics and Software Applications, sought to modernize complex, exacting semiconductor manufacturing. With TIBCO, Ahmer and his team built a powerful data analytics platform to gain insights and optimize manufacturing and scale rapid prototyping and development. Creating an interactive diagnostic tool helped improve product yield and equipment efficiency. Using TIBCO analytics and customized dashboards to integrate test and measurement data across Western's factories helped create an operations digital twin. Additionally, real-time equipment monitoring is allowing proactive responses to problems, and increased uptime is helping lower costs and reduce factory floor inspections. As a business leader driving compelling digital transformation at Western Digital in partnership with TIBCO, Ahmer Srivastava offers an innovative, bold perspective among his peers.